was at the wrong place at the right time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's makeover. So we are in my son's bedroom today. We are going to go ahead and get started. So this was Saturday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. I wanted to start super early. So we went ahead and started with the accent wall. So the color we chose for the accent wall is Eucalyptus Wreath. And then the rest of the walls are going to be the color Greek Villa. And oh my gosh, I love the way it turned out. But it took me a whole day to get the whole entire room painted except for the ceiling. I'm not going to count that because I really wanted to leave that for another day. But I got the whole entire room done in one day. I was so proud of myself. Obviously, like I said, it does not include the ceiling. And then I went ahead and started on the doors, but I will show you that in part 2. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video. I am, like I said, so excited to share this with you guys because it has been a long time coming.
We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
All right, y'all, so this is what I have so far. That is wet. I redid that side. It's shiny right there because of this light right here. So I don't like the way it looks, and I know it's because of the light. So let me turn off the light and see. There, and then the shadow right here of these blinds. So I was closing the blinds because I can see the lines right there. But that's just like this line right here. That's just his blinds. But let's see. Okay, so I'm still not done. I have to go to Home Depot tomorrow, or maybe later. I'm going to replace those the outlet covers. I want to get paintable ones, so I can go ahead and paint it the same color as the wall. We're gonna pause here, probably pick up tomorrow. I gotta decide on the color for the rest of the walls. I think I have an idea. I do have a sample of it here, so I'm going to test it and see what it looks like. But yeah, so this is where we're gonna leave off, and I will see you guys tomorrow, or knowing me, next week. All right, so this is actually not next week. It's the same day. I actually went to Home Depot to pick up a few things and came back and started prepping so I can go ahead and start priming. But I want to tell you about frog tape. So frog tape for me, I love frog tape, but for some reason, I know I didn't give this accent wall time to cure. But when I painted my husband's office, I was only going there the weekends that I was free. So for example, I painted an accent wall there, and I came back maybe 2 weekends later, and then I wanted to paint the rest of the walls. So I went ahead and taped it, and I used frog tape. And then after I was done, I went ahead and peeled off the tape, and the paint came off. So that made me angry because I really like frog tape, but I mean, it pulled the paint. So I thought that it wasn't supposed to do that. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe I did something wrong. I have no clue, but it happened here when I peeled off the tape, and I was like, well, I didn't let it cure. But then I'm like, wait, no, it happened to me last time, and that cured for about 2 weeks. So, I mean, it had time to dry, and I don't know. But anyways, I went ahead and touched it up, and everything was fine. I just, it was kind of annoying that I had to retouch it again. And I just feel like these painting tapes are not supposed to do that. I don't know. Maybe I'm just the only one. I don't know.
was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love.
Okay, and here I am peeling the tape, and this is when I start peeling it from the wall, and I got so angry. I was like, what in the world? But like I said, I was able to touch it up and everything was fine, but I was just kind of aggravated because I didn't think painter's tape was supposed to do that. I know that they say frog tape that you should wet it, or like maybe something, use a wet like rag or something when you seal it. Like I didn't get any paint that seeped through or anything like that. That's why I like frog tape, but look what it did. And I was just kind of like, oh no, why did it do this? But like I said, I touched it up. It was just kind of annoying. All right, y'all, so the next thing I'm going to do is replace this one. This one was over here, and we have these throughout the house, which I have been replacing. Actually only replaced one, I think, so far, because I'm painting and doing other things. But I got these at, I think, Home Depot. A pack of 5 or 6, I think, for like 10 bucks. I don't know. But we're just going to put this one in here, and this one will look better. I like the black. The front of the door is black. I painted black, so I just figured why not. So I'm just gonna keep that the same, and there we go. So all the walls are painted except for the ceiling. The ceiling fan needs to be changed, and the ceiling itself needs to be painted. I have ceiling paint, but I'm not doing that at the moment. You can still see the difference. Actually, this is perfect. So here's the color, and then that. So this is Greek Villa. This is called, what is this called? Let me look. Eucalyptus Wreath is what this color is called. But you can see the tan right there and see how the difference there. And then of course the door has to be painted. We're going to get rid of this. I'm thinking of maybe something right here, or maybe this corner. All right, y'all, so we are gonna paint these doors this color and the back of this door as well. He decided that's the color that he wanted to do, so we are going to go ahead and do it. I actually thought that I was done for today, but it's about 5. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock. So I still have energy left. I have been in this room painting since like 8 o'clock this morning. And I thought I was going to wrap it up, but since I still have my paint stuff out, I'm just gonna bring it out and go ahead and do these doors. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna add this in part 1, so this might be in the part 2 video. I'm not sure if it's in part 1. Well, okay, it's in part 1, but we're gonna go ahead and paint this. It's 5 o'clock. Make sure it is 5 o'clock. Yes, it's 5. Don't pay attention to this. Obviously, this was unplugged, and I just plugged everything back in. So it is 5:01. So we are going to start, and I'm going to pull all that stuff back out. I have put everything up, so I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to start with cleaning the doors and start painting. All right, y'all, that is it for part 1 of this makeover. Make sure you guys leave this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next one.